Hey, in today's video, I'll show you how you can create this ripple effect in After Effects. I thought it was simple, but it was not simple as I thought it was. Like you can see here, it's not just dragging and dropping the ripple effect from the effects and presets. So I came up with an idea how you can create this. So let's get started right away by creating a new composition. Alright, here I am in a new composition with just a text and a white background, nothing fancy, that's it. So let's create a new composition and rename it to Ripple Mask and hit OK. Create a new solid and drop a radio waves effect from the effects and presets. Set the frequency to 0, expansion to 12, and lifespan to 4. You can change this point to wherever you want and also change the color to white and start with 200. Apply a fast blur effect on that layer and also a turbulent displace effect and decrease the amount of the turbulent displace, and we're going to animate the evolution of this by holding down Alt on the keyboard, click on this evolution, and that will pop up a little expression window and just type in time times 20. The higher the number, the faster the evolution. Hey, are you still watching the video? If you're still watching, then there's a high chance that you want to learn After Effects, right? So hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to get more videos, and it helps me out a lot if you subscribe and like the video. Alright, so back to the tutorial. Alright, select the layer and you can duplicate it and reposition the radio waves as much as you want and give some variation. Alright, go back to the main composition and drag and drop the ripple mask from the project panel. Create an adjustment layer and rename it effect. Go to the effects and presets and type in caustics and drop that on the adjustment layer. Change this water surface layer to the ripple mask that we've created. We don't want the water color blue, so surface opacity should be 0. Collapse this material and increase the specular reflections slightly, and you can input the values like you can see here in the screen. You can now drag and drop your logo just below the effect and you have the ripple effect. That is all I have for this time, guys. I hope you liked the video. Hit the like button if you liked it and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And you can leave a comment in the comment section below and I will try to answer it to my best. Alright, so make sure to check out these 2 videos as well, and I will see you in my next video.